In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wix Error 401 step by step. If you're seeing a 401 unauthorized error when trying to access your Wix dashboard, editor, or specific pages on your site, this can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to get work done quickly. The good news is that in most cases, this error is caused by simple account, permission, or connection issues, and it can be fixed in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps you should follow in the correct order to resolve Wix Error 401 in 2026. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to do is log out of your Wix account and then log back in again. This might sound too simple, but it actually fixes a large number of 401 errors. Sometimes your login session expires or becomes corrupted, especially if you've been logged in for a long time or switched networks. To do this, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of Wix, choose Log Out, then completely close your browser. Open your browser again, go back to wix.com, and sign in with your email and password. Once you're logged back in, try accessing your site or dashboard again and see if the error is gone. If you're still seeing Wix Error 401, move on to the next step. Step 2 is to turn off any VPN or proxy you're using. Wix can sometimes block or restrict access if it detects suspicious or changing IP addresses, which is common when a VPN or proxy is enabled. If you have a VPN app running on your computer or browser, temporarily disable it and refresh the page. If you're on a work or school network that uses a proxy, try switching to a different network, such as your mobile hotspot. After turning off the VPN or proxy, reload the Wix dashboard and check if you can access your site without the error. In many cases, this alone will immediately fix the 401 issue. If the problem still isn't resolved, let's continue. Step 3 is to republish your site. A 401 error can sometimes happen if there's a publishing or sync issue between the Wix editor and your live site. To fix this, go to your Wix dashboard, open the editor, and click the Publish button in the top right corner. Wait for the publishing process to fully complete, then open your site in a new tab or refresh the page that was showing the error. Republishing forces Wix to reapply your site settings and permissions, which often clears access-related errors. If you're still running into Wix Error 401, don't worry, there are a couple more things to check. Step 4 is to check your page permissions. Wix allows you to restrict pages so that only certain users, members, or admins can access them. If a page is set to members only or password protected, you may see a 401 error if you're not logged in correctly. From your Wix editor, click on the Page menu, select the page that's showing the error, and go to Page Settings. Look for the Permissions or Access section and make sure it's set to Public if you want everyone to access it. Save your changes, republish your site, and then test the page again. This step is especially important if the error only happens on specific pages and not the entire site. Finally, Step 5 is to make sure you're logged into the correct Wix account. This is a very common issue, especially if you manage multiple Wix sites or use different email addresses. Wix will show a 401 error if you try to access a site you don't have permission for. Double-check the email address you're logged in with and confirm that it's the account that owns the site or has admin access. If someone else owns the site, ask them to invite you as a collaborator with the correct permissions. Once you're logged into the correct account, refresh the dashboard and the error should be resolved. And that's it. By following these 5 steps, you should be able to fix Wix Error 401 quickly and get back to managing your website without any issues. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.